Hey guys, it's JD from Ponza World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this Wi-Fi camera made by APEMAN. Now this is a $49 security camera, Wi-Fi camera, whatever you want to call it, that you can find on Amazon. Links will be in the description below. And kind of referencing to what I said earlier, you could really use this as like a baby monitor, Wi-Fi camera, security camera. You could pretty much use it for whatever you want as long as it's indoors, because I don't believe this thing is waterproof or water resistant. Anyways, so let's go and start with showing you around the box. So you can see here, model number ID75 IP camera. There's the resolution 1920 by 1080, so essentially 1080p, so pretty good for, again, what's basically $50. Two-way audio, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi instead of 5, and night vision. Okay, you can see that's the front. On this side, resolution, two-way audio, wide angle, app control, which we will be testing out later, motion detection, and 360-degree panorama, so you could basically look all around. So that's pretty cool. Back here, again, key features, 110-degree wide angle tilt, up and down. Again, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and some other stuff. There's a label if you want to take a look at that. And it also comes with a 1-year warranty, so that's pretty nice. And that's really it for the box, so let's go in and open it up. We hope you are satisfied with our product. There's their Facebook, Twitter, etc. And up top, we have what I believe would be, so basically a support email and stuff in case you have troubles or you need help. And then here it is underneath this plastic insert or cardboard insert. And okay, we have a lot of extras under there. Let's go and take a look at the camera first. All right, pretty good. I'm gonna remove the film here. There you go. Very nice. Yeah, pretty good. It's getting very smudgy though with my fingerprints. That's weird, it's plastic, it shouldn't be doing that, but it is, whatever. You're not going to be touching it all the time since it is just a security camera, so it doesn't really matter in that case. Here we have an instruction guide, user manual, very big, and it's in different languages. So that's why it has English, and then Spanish, this might be, or something like that. So there you go. And then we also have underneath here a card, and then under here, a bunch of other things. Mounting hardware. A power brick. Let's go ahead and pop that out of here. There you are. Let's go and look. Output 5 volt, 2000 milliamp. Okay, I've never heard of it as milliamp before. Well, there you go. There's that. And then we also have a mount. Okay, so you can mount it to like a wall or a table, whatever you choose. Pretty nice. And then last thing is the cable to obviously power the camera, which is micro USB. Okay, so what I'll go and do now is plug this thing in, go in and download the app and set it up. All right, so I have the camera set up here. You can see it's plugged in and stuff. Just gonna move this off to the side. Anyways, very simple to set up. You just have to download the app to your smart. It's on the App Store and I believe Google Play too. If you have troubles like finding it on either of those places, just go into the instruction manual and there's a QR code in the first few pages and you scan that, it'll just bring you right to the link. Again, very simple to install, very simple to set up. I just had to go through a few things. Had to read the barcode that was, or the QR code that was actually on the phone. I had to place it in front of the camera here for it to read it. I always think that's kind of cool. Anyways, again, very simple to set up. For this video, I'm not going to use this mount. It's very simple to set up. You just screw it into the bottom and then you screw it into a, on this side, into like a wall or something. It's pretty, again, simple to set up, and it does come with the mounting hardware, which is pretty cool. So again, pretty simple to set that up too, I would assume, but I'm not going to do it for this video. Anyways, again, here it is all set up. And you can see here on the phone here, iPhone 5S, it doesn't matter what phone you're using it though. You can see, here's a live feed. There you go, you can see. It takes a few seconds to get there. I would say about a 1.5 delay. But definitely not anything too bad for basically a $50 security camera. And picture quality, it's pretty alright, I'd say. You could definitely kind of make out the lettering on that glue bottle over to the left. It's not bad at all. There you go. And obviously this video is going to be up in 720p, so it's going to look worse on camera than it really does on the actual phone itself. So it does look pretty good in my opinion. I'm going to go ahead and click back here to show some of the other functions. So obviously here is the live view. Here you select between your video quality, SD, standard definition, and HD, high definition. And this here, if this little speaker icon, if I click that, okay, there you go. I'm going to put the phone speaker close up to the microphone here. And I'm going to talk into the security camera. Test, test. You can see it is picking up audio from the camera and bringing it through the phone speaker. So you can see what's going on. Like if this is, for example, a baby monitor or something like that, or heck, even a security camera, which is something that I would use it for. You could just be monitoring obviously what people are saying or something, or maybe if you have a baby, you could hear if it's crying or not, something like that. So that's a pretty helpful feature. I really like that. Also here it shows the signal strength. In this case, it's 80. I would assume if you have 100, it would be a lot more responsive in terms of lag and stuff. But 80 is not a bad signal strength. Anyways, some more things here. You have screenshot, which I believe... Okay, sure, yeah. Okay. And look at that. Saved a screenshot. There you go. So it does take screenshots, and then this here, and I'm going to actually walk away for this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the speak button, and then I'm going to talk into a microphone on here, and you'll hear it coming out of the security camera. So I'm going to do that a little far off, because otherwise if it's right next to each other, it's going to echo back and forth, and it's going to sound absolutely horrible. So I'm going to walk around the corner here, and I'm going to talk into the phone right now.
As you can tell, this is what it sounds like. It's still kind of doing that thing where it echoes. But there you go, that's what it sounds like.
You can hear it, that kind of like screeching sound. If these weren't close together like that, where it's picking up audio from the phone, bringing it into this and back and forth, that wouldn't be happening. But hopefully, if you can tell, audio quality coming from this, it's okay. I mean, if I had to understand what was coming through there, I probably would. Anyways, here you have record, which I'm going to click that off camera because I don't want to bring up a photo album or something. Okay, there you go. It's recording. So if you want to record, I don't know, someone breaking into your house or something, well, there you go. And then, oh, check that out. You could also move it back and forth while recording. That's pretty cool. How do I bring this down? There you go. Yeah, and then it saves to gallery. Okay, nice. And then this is playback, which, again, okay. You have to have an SD card in there to play it back, but you can basically see what's been recorded. So that's pretty nice. And then here, direction. It's like what I just demonstrated a second ago. You can move this thing back and forth. Up and down. And obviously right and left. So that's pretty cool. It will do a 360-degree turn. I'm not going to show that because obviously I don't want you guys to see me. So, but trust me, trust my word, it does go full around. Now it does eventually, I believe, right in the middle here, it hits like a dead end kind of thing, and it won't go any farther. So you have to go back around if you want to see the other way. But that's pretty cool. So it can't just do a continuous loop. It eventually hits. So yeah, again, pretty cool. Let's go in and see what else. We have alarm, which if I click on that, it brings up motion detection. So let's go and turn that on. You have sensitivity, and also you could set a schedule. In this case, it's always on and high. So I'm gonna go ahead and wave my hand in front of this. Which it did take it a second last time. It should sense. I might just have to give it a second for like it to apply. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Okay, well, oh, nope, never mind. There you go. I guess it just now kicked on. Smart camera has detected a movement. Let's go in and attempt it again. Okay, so it is definitely delayed, but either way, it still works, so that's all that really matters. You see I wave my hand in front of it. It's probably going to take a second to get here. Anyways, so there you go. That's what that does. Again, guys, this is a $50 security camera. Pretty darn cheap. You can't expect everything to be perfect. Oh, hold on. Okay. And then we also have cloud storage here, which I believe if I click on that, yeah, okay, so you have to purchase a storage service. So there you go. You could store stuff to the cloud for it to get backed up or something like that. Oh, look, now my signal strength is at 99. Yeah, never mind, not really that much more responsive, but I'm sure, yeah, it seems to be actually better quality, the better signal strength. So there you go. Pretty cool. So again, pretty basic functions, but it's all what you need. Again, $50 security camera, pretty cheap. It's not very high end or anything like that, but for $50 seems to have a decent amount of features, and for video quality and stuff seems to be pretty decent. So there you go. I guess what I'll go and do now is stop this clip and give you guys my final opinions. Alright, so overall, what do I think of the security camera? I think this thing is pretty decent for the price. Now again, $50, like I've said, is a pretty cheap price for a security camera as it is. And this one seems to be pretty good. Picture quality, it seems to be pretty decent actually, in my opinion. Again, you can't really see what I'm seeing on camera. Obviously, or whatever you're watching on TV, phone, whatever. It's not going to be exactly what I'm seeing, but in real life, it seems pretty decent. And it also has a good amount of features, such as that alarm, two-way audio, and stuff like that. So it does seem, again, pretty decent for a price. So if you're looking for a cheap security camera, that definitely does the job. Go ahead and pick this security camera up. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.